Imagine a culinary journey, where every bite is an explosion of flavors, a symphony of spices, and a celebration of culture. Welcome to the world of Indian cuisine, a realm where every dish tells a story, every spice sings, and every meal is a feast. Embark on this gastronomic adventure as we count down the top 10 meals that define Indian cuisine. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is chaat, a popular food of India. A flavorful snack with sweet, sour, tangy, and spicy flavors, chaat leaves you craving for more. Moving on to our next meals, each one a testament to India's diverse culinary landscape. Starting with number 9, we have the vibrant pani puri, a street food staple in North India. These bite-sized treats filled with tangy tamarind water and spiced potatoes are a burst of flavors in every mouthful. Then at number 8, we have the hearty biryani, a fragrant rice dish cooked with spices and marinated meat, a specialty of Hyderabad. Next, at number 7, is the spicy vindaloo, a fiery curry from Goa, renowned for its heat and complex flavors. And finally, at number 6, we have the comforting dal makhani, a creamy lentil dish hailing from Punjab, simmered to perfection over hours, and finished with a dollop of butter for that extra richness. From the fiery flavors of vindaloo to the comforting richness of dal makhani, these meals are a testament to India's culinary diversity. As we move closer to the top, the flavors intensify, the aromas captivate, and the dishes become even more enticing. Let's start with the 5th dish on our list, the iconic palak paneer. This divine creation is a blend of creamy spinach and soft paneer cheese, a vegetarian delight that is popular across the country. Next, at number 4, we have the delectable chole bhature. This North Indian staple combines spicy chickpeas with fluffy fried bread. The dish is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Punjab. In 3rd place, we find the irresistible masala dosa, a South Indian masterpiece. A crisp, thin pancake filled with a spicy potato filling. It's a breakfast favorite that's loved all day long. And at number 2, the sumptuous biryani. This fragrant rice dish layered with meat and spices is a gastronomic adventure that represents the diverse flavors of India. These dishes, from the creamy palak paneer to the sumptuous biryani, are not just meals, they're experiences. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The top spot in our countdown goes to the universally loved butter chicken. A symphony of rich, creamy flavors, this dish delights with tender chicken pieces enveloped in a succulent tomato sauce. With its tender chicken pieces drowned in a creamy tomato sauce, butter chicken is truly the crown jewel of Indian cuisine. So there you have it, the top 10 meals that make Indian cuisine a global phenomenon. From tantalizing chaat to creamy butter chicken, each dish tells a story of India's rich culinary heritage. Each of these meals offers a unique taste of India, a taste that's waiting for you to explore. So go ahead, indulge in these delights and embark on your culinary journey through India.